have to play it well first before she decides if she wants to watch this. So there's a lot of pressure on me here tonight. But I am here at Southbridge Owen Sound. Say hello, everybody. Hello. Oh, it's good to see you all in your beautiful new place. And we are singing love songs here. I'm still singing love songs. Even though Valentine's was a couple of days ago, I'm still feeling mushy. And when I learned this next song just a few days ago, I had it requested last week. I was playing down in Arthur, Caress and Care in Arthur, and a lady asked me if I ever heard the song Sugartime. And I said to her, no ma'am, I'm sorry, I don't know that song, but I'll look it up, as I always do. And as I was looking at it, I realized it's a love song. And I thought, I better sing this, and it's an easy song. I could learn it in a hurry. So here we go. The world debut of Sugartime, and Mr. Johnny Cash did this song. I promised you some Johnny Cash. Well, sugar in the morning, sugar in the evening, sugar at supper time. Be my little sugar and love me all the time. Honey in the morning, honey in the evening, honey at supper time. Be my little honey and love me all the time. Put your arms around me and then my stars above. You'll be mine forever as we stand in love. Sugar in the morning, sugar in the evening, sugar at supper time. Be my little sugar and love me all the time. Well, sugar in the morning, sugar in the evening, sugar at supper time. Be my little sugar and love me all the time. Honey in the morning, honey in the evening, honey at supper time. Be my little honey and love me all the time. Put your arms around me and swear by stars above. You'll be mine forever in heaven full of love. Sugar in the morning, sugar in the evening, sugar at supper time.